Want to learn how to change the name of your Facebook account with Facebook Lite app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on View Your Profile below your name. Scroll down. Tap on Settings. Avoid Privacy Shortcuts. Tap on Personal and Account Information onto this account section. You can see that you have 4 of the options, that is name, email address, phone number, and account ownership and control. So if you want to change your name, all you have to do is tap on Edit on the right corner next to your name. Now you've been given an option of entering your first name, your middle name, and then your last name. So you can choose each one of them simultaneously, tap on them, and then keep a new name that you want to keep. I have just tapped on this first name, so I'm going to create one name for myself, and I want to skip this middle name. You can even keep your middle name, and then tap on this last name and keep your last name that you want to keep. When you're done, tap on Review Change below. And now you have an option of choosing that how your name will appear on your profile, that is either from front to back or back to front. So I want to keep Christine Evans. Obviously I would love to keep this name, and you can see that here's a note for us all, that is you want to be able to change your name within the next 60 days. So to save this setting, you need to enter your Facebook password. Tap on this blank section below Facebook password and enter your password. When you're done, tap on Save Changes below. You can go back and check your name. So you can see that my name has been successfully changed to Christine Evans. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.